Edwards palette. I'm so excited to be finally filming this video for you guys because I've had the palette and I was like going back and forth if I should get the primer, just do the primer, and I was like, you know what, it's the new primer, I might as well. So I went back and got the eye primer and we are going to try it out and see. This has been compared to the P. Louise base, which I hear is like the world's best primer. I've personally never used it, but if this works, I'm gonna be happy because my eyelids crease so bad. So I'm actually gonna put it on and see. I'm going to do like a little wear test and see if it creases, because usually like I put a primer on and it creases right away. I've even blotted down my eyelids, which I never do. Oh my god, this is so weird. Like, I literally just opened this and it's like this. I don't know if this was used or what. That's not cool at all. And I actually bought this from the store. I went in, got it at Ulta. That scares me. It's like literally barely anything in here. Oh, heck no. And this is the first time I'm using this. Wow. Spent $13 on a used eye base. So this is obviously bright. But again, if this works, I'm gonna be so freaking happy. And I'm gonna put it on this side too, since I grabbed so dang much. I cannot. I'm so mad about this. Nope. So I'm gonna blend this out and then we are going to let it sit and see. I'm not gonna set it or anything like that because I wanna see if it creases, if it's like streaky. I'm giving this a complete wear test because your girl needs a new eye base. I've tried so many different ones and I felt like the Morphe one, I did try that one. I had like a lot of recommendations to try that one, so I bought it and I felt like it was good. It was more like almost like a silicone, I'm gonna put it under here too, almost like a silicone based primer, but it was like it didn't crease that bad. But I don't know, I wasn't like obsessed with it. I wasn't in love. And I was using the NYX primer for years, you guys, for years. And that one creased so bad, but I just kept using it because I didn't really know any better. And now I'm like, I know better. So that's why I was like, okay, yeah, girl needs to buy a new primer because this ain't gonna cut it. And I did do my brows with Kai Brow. So if you have not seen that video, go watch it so you guys can see my review on Kai Brows. Okay, so I think I might need a little more on this side. Yes, it looks a little scary and crazy now, but you guys know it's gonna come together. Okay, so I'm gonna let it sit and see how it's all blended out. I found it was easier to actually blend it out and tap it out with my finger. So if you do get this primer, try doing it with your finger. It works a little better. It does claim it's vegan, non-comedogenic, I think that's the word, dermatologist tested, long wearing, clinically tested, water resistant, oil free, alcohol free, gluten free, all that good stuff. I feel like when I'm like reading stuff down like that, it's like word vomit. But yeah, so that's what it says. Oil free is great because again, my eyelids are oily. So I'm going to leave that on for a second while I show you guys this, and then we're gonna come back and see if it creased. So we are gonna open this up. Again, it's Alyssa Edwards. I didn't know who Alyssa Edwards was until I got this palette. I find that I do that a lot. I see like a bomb palette, and then I start exploring that person. I'm like, oh, okay, cool. But yeah, so it says it was created in collaboration with Alyssa Edwards. The limited edition palette features Alyssa's must-have favorite colors for drop-dead gorgeous looks. And then it says, I don't get cute, I get drop-dead gorgeous. And now you can too. My dream for this palette was to create a color story that will give you life. I feel like just looking at this, it does just give you life. Like, it's like, boom. You guys are gonna see like when I was actually shopping for the palette. And it says, one that will bring out the inner beast in everyone, Alyssa Edwards. So this is so cute. The packaging's adorable. Love it. And then it has her signature on the back, always and forever. Comes with a mirror. You guys know I love a mirror. because I actually had grabbed this because I'm like, just in case I need to use this. Again, it's by Anastasia Beverly Hills, so I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Emery highlighter as well. I'm trying to use as much Anastasia as I have for this video. So let's look at the goods. Ooh, it comes with a brush. Can never go wrong with that. So let's take our brush out. Let's see the brush first. Ooh, and it's double-sided. I love that. That's perfect. Can't go wrong with that. You literally can't. So these are the colors. Let me know if you guys like to see me do the swatches when I incorporate the swatches in the videos, or do you just like me trying them out? I try and do that because obviously I'm not going to use every single color on my eyes, so I try and incorporate that as well. So my eyes are already creasing, if you guys see that. No, that makes me sad, so I'm just gonna tap it out again. That sucks. So that was like literally 5 minutes and they're already creasing. But hey, that's a little longer than usual. That sucks. I literally hate that. Oh, if you guys know any good primers that don't crease, please let me know, because clearly your girl is looking for one. So I'm going to start out with, the names are funny. I don't know what look I want to do. I'm kind of just like, boom, let's go with that. I'm going to start out with the Supreme, which is this color here. And I'm going to go in with that because that is going to be our transition color. And I am going to speed this up so that this video is not a million years long. So I'm going to speed it up and I'm going to kind of just like point to everything. Let's go. Okay, so this is the finished look. I am like in love, obsessed. Once again, I'm doing another pink look. If you watched my video before, my summer lovin' video, it was a pink look. But yes, you guys, I'm like obsessed. I feel like I want to lighten my lips just a little bit, and I am going to do highlighter on camera. I don't know why I love doing highlighter on camera, because I love a good glow, and I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Emery. This is how gorgeous it is, and I'm just going to be using the It's My Rare ABH Cosmetics number 8 brush, and we are going to put the, oh girl, like, girl, you blinding. So we're gonna put that on, And then I am going to do swatches of the rest of the colors for you guys because I feel like that's something I want to do on camera because these colors are just fire. Like I cannot, I'm like obsessed. I'm going to spray myself with my Slay All Day setting spray by Gerard Cosmetics. And this is their collab with Nakia Joy. It smells amazing. It's rose. Okay guys, so we're going in. I'm going to tell you all the colors I used for my look. We used Texas Made, we used Beyond, Beast to line. So I didn't even put liner on, you guys. I literally used this powder to line, and then we used the Supreme, Inspire, and yeah, those are, oh, and Brick Road. So I put Brick Road in the inner corner, and then I just put the Inspire. I love it because I feel like the name Inspire, and this is just so like goals and inspiring. I love it. And so I put that as the halo effect, and then I put the yellow, which was Brick Road, and then I put Inspire on top of there. So that is what I use, but we are going, so I'm gonna swatch all the colors that I did not use. So we're gonna start with Headliner, which is this white color here. So you guys, I'm trying to see, you guys could see. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna kind of build up. I feel like these colors are so pigmented. They're beautiful. The fallout is not that bad, surprisingly. The glitter one had probably the most fallout, but it's not that bad. So now we're gonna do Ho, which is like this cooler brown tone color. Ooh, that's pigmented. I like that. I usually don't like cool tones, but that one's nice. Next, we're gonna do Unicorn Tree. Like, this is probably my favorite palette at the moment now. Now that I've used this, I'm like, I'm gonna continue to use this. I'm gonna keep using it. The next color is DDG. I don't know what that means. So if you guys are familiar with Alyssa Edwards or know her, ooh, then you guys let me know what that means. Next, we're gonna go on with BBDC. Again, don't know what that one means. So these two look like they're kind of similar, just one's like darker and one's like a lighter color. So that's what that one looks like. And next we're gonna go in with Dream It. Ooh, this one's so pretty, like a pretty blue. It gives me like a Dream of Genie vibes. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh. Next we're gonna go in with Believe. And again, these are just the colors that I didn't use on my eyes, so I didn't feel like I needed to swatch all of them. Ooh, look at these. They are so pigmented. These ones are kind of like a little similar to me in the same family tree. This one is Back Rolls. It's funny. And this one's like a darker brown, obviously, and then you have like your cool tone brown in there as well. So let's do one more swatch of that. And then again, I lined with Beast, but I'm going to show you guys anyways because this is like a really pigmented matte black. My favorite all-time black is Carbon by MAC. I don't think it gets any better or darker than Carbon. This one's pretty good. So those are the colors that I did not use. And then I will just show you guys Inspire. Let me wipe my hand. I'll show you guys Inspire because Inspire is like, I think Inspire, that's Inspire. Oh my, Inspire and Texas Made and Beyond are probably my favorites in the palette. And I'm really liking this purple. I didn't put it on, but I love it. I think it's gorgeous. I wanted, I think I expected more from Brick Road. I'll just show you guys that. Like, it looks so pigmented here, but it didn't show up as pigmented as I wanted it to on my eyes. So that's why I ended up kind of just putting Inspire there to kind of go with that. But that's the finished look, you guys. Overall, I would say this palette is a must buy. Go out and get it. The primer, you know, it's kind of like, it's a good primer. I'll probably obviously keep it and use it because I bought it, but I don't feel like that's something I would repurchase. It is better than the NYX one, like I was telling you guys, but I don't think that that's like, I still want to find my like go-to. So I think I am going to try and I'm going to purchase the P. Louise base because everyone says that's the best. So I'm going to go ahead and go with that. But this is the finished look, you guys. See that go? Let me know what you guys think. Give me a big thumbs up. Share this video, you guys. And let me know what you guys think of this look. That's it for this video. Bye. See my eyelids creased. Like, that's crazy. I've never had that happen. The shadow literally like creased and broke up. That is insane. I took my eyelashes off, obviously, but literally That's never happened. I don't know if it was the primer or what, but you see like right in there. You see that? It's insane.